Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all. I hope you all are doing well. So, students, today we are going to start our chapter Thank You Lord. It's a poem, and the author of this poem is Mary Fairchild. So, in this poem, actually, this poem expresses a joyful celebration of life and the world, acknowledging God's role as the creator. These poems are often teach us about gratitude and appreciation for all good things in life. बेसिकली हमारी ज़िंदगी में जितनी भी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं उनको हम कैसे अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं, कैसे उनका शुक्र अदा कर सकते हैं अल्लाह ताला की तमाम नेमतों का, इस पोइम में हमें ये बताया गया है. ठीक है. सो दिस पोइम इज़ अबाउट ग्रेटिट्यूड मीन्स शुक्रगुजारी एंड ओबीडियंस मीन्स फर्माबरदारी. So the poetess shows her gratitude for all the blessings of God. She discusses about how she begins her day, how she ends her day, what she has believes. So she begins her day with the prayer and bow down their head to thank God. And she believes that God is always there to protect her, so she should not be afraid of anything. And her day ends with the prayer of gratitude. She has mentioned some blessings without which we are not able to survive. For example, sun, days, morning, night, rain, पेन, हैप्पीनेस, डार्कनेस, लाइट. क्लियर. तो ये तमाम चीज़ें हैं जिनके बगैर हम नहीं रह सकते. सो हमें इन तमाम ब्लेसिंग्स का अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए. And this poem also highlights how the child is thoughtful, you can say, for their physical parts like feet for running, hand for writing, etc. And this poem serves us a way for children to learn how to express gratitude and appreciate the kindness of God for all the good things in life. हमारी ज़िंदगी में ये हम बच्चों को सिखा रहा है कि हम कैसे अल्लाह ताला की उन तमाम चीज़ों का शुक्र अदा कर सकते हैं एक बहुत अच्छे तरीके से. So this is all about this poem. Thank you, Lord. Before moving towards your exercises, you have to read this text carefully. After reading, there are some meanings of few words. The first one is praise, second one is hide, third one is fear, command, and crawl. These words meanings are available on your book. You have to read them and learn them and do practice of these words meanings on your rough notes. Clear? Now look at this activity. There is a concept of consonants. So what are consonants? All the alphabets except vowel are known as consonants. A, E, I, O, U. इन 5 अल्फ़ाबेट्स के अलावा जितने भी हमारे पास अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं दे आर नोन एज कॉन्सोनेंट्स. सो व्हाट्स द कॉन्सेप्ट ओवर देयर? इनिशियल कॉन्सोनेंट्स एंड फाइनल कॉन्सोनेंट्स. इनिशियल मीन्स पहले आने वाले एंड द फाइनल मीन्स जो कि लास्ट पे आएंगे. सो a cluster of 3 words. Clear? A cluster of 3 letters are given to you. Some clusters you will use as a initial consonants and some clusters you will use as a final consonants. It means कि जो आपको 3 letters एज अ इनिशियल क्लस्टर दिया गया है, इनिशियल कॉन्सोनेंट्स दिए गए हैं, आपने उनको इनिशियल मीन्स पहले उन 3 लेटर्स को पहले यूज़ करके आपने एक न्यू वर्ड बनाना है. ठीक है. सिमिलरली जो लेटर्स आपको फाइनल कॉन्सोनेंट्स में दिए गए हैं उन अल्फ़ाबेट्स को, उन लेटर्स को आप लोग एंड पे यूज़ करके एक न्यू वर्ड जनरेट करेंगे. ठीक है. ऑल द सॉल्व्ड एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन ऑन योर बुक. यू हैव टू टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम ऑल दोज exercises and then easily you can solve them. Clear? So here are some questions given to you related to the comprehension. Thank you, Lord. So try to solve all these questions on your rough notes. Moreover, हम इसको खुद से भी नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह वीडियो में हम इनको डिटेल से करेंगे. Under these questions, it's a simple activity. You have to check the time and just write down what the time has been shown on all these clocks. Clear? इसमें आपने simply सिर्फ time लिखना है. Now here is the last task of today's lecture. Some multiple choice questions are given to you. I have shared this solved image with you people, but read your comprehension carefully, and when you read that comprehension carefully, you are easily able to solve them by yourself. Clear? So read करें उसको अच्छे तरीके से and solve all these multiple choice questions by yourself. So that's all about today's lecture, and try to do practice all these exercises on your rough notes, all the words meanings on your rough notes. Thank you.